Hi and welcome to ZEDz Upgrades. Back again, yes. Now, just to let you know, guys, I actually did another video for my last app. My last version app. However, though, I was using a new screen recorder and it just didn't update it, I'm afraid. And then I was going to, but then I found this. I've made the app a lot more simpler. Basically, it took me a few hours to make this app. That's how good it is. But the good thing about this app is automatic upgrades. Yay! Updates even. So basically, you don't have to keep an eye out on all my other apps, app versions. You'd have to check what app version you have, and then you got to download it manually, This will automatically update it for you, so you do not need to do all you gotta do is click there's a new update, click update. That's all you gotta do, and it updates automatically now for you. The other reason why I've made this is because there hopefully will not be any more issues. I'll show you. So let's go into the games and miscellaneous. So let's go with file linked. Now when I click on file linked, what will happen is it will on the bottom there, it will tell you, do you want to download this? Click OK, and then if you click OK, it will download it immediately onto your phone. And there's no issues. You can just open it straight up from that. It will pull on the pull down list. It will just work. That's how great it is. So go and happy check. I'll give you an example of this one. So if you click OK, if you're on the top screen there, it will tell you it's downloading. When that finally downloads, it will basically, you can just click on it and then just install, and it'll be done. That's it. That's how simple it is. My internet's running slow at the moment, so sorry for that. Whilst I'm on here, if the top right corner, what you can do, I don't know why you want to, but if you can download it the old fashioned way. You can go back to this screen. I don't know why you want to, but you can if you want. You can do it that way if you want. Now, users obviously who've had my previous apps will know what that means or what that does. So here it says Happy Chick download animated. Click on it, and it'll bring you to the install page, which is fantastic. I've been wanting this since I began making these apps. Now, the reason why I've gone into games and miscellaneous rather than the movies I could generally do is because all the apps, when you click on it, it will download it that way, apart from one app. I don't know why it doesn't work, but just this one, the Happy Chick emulator phone, which is not that popular anyway, but I'll fix it anyway eventually. But yeah, this will bring you to the old screen where you click the bottom to download it. Once that's downloaded, you can install it, or depending on which phone it is, you can click on open with, and then do it that way. You don't want to see this anyway. So they're the biggest updates. Now it's now if you click on the About Us, that'll give the new logo slightly, just darker and more square. I think that's and then the website at the bottom there with short description. The QR code, I had to update this. I've changed the color to blue a little bit on the big circle thingies. YouTube, this is a good one. You see this slightly differently when you have the app, because this video is going to be updated onto the here. So this is going to be updated onto here, so you can see all my previous YouTube videos and yeah, everything about that. All the likes, I got more likes than I thought. Thank you very much. So you got the same stuff here. Oh, just forgot to mention, you can search under there. So if you go movies, you got all these. Obviously, you probably noticed as well, I've taken away the picture of them. Unfortunately, I had no choice to do that in order to fit everything in here. Yeah, and obviously you can't see the customized picture I put on there. I've just put a generic one. However, I think it works better, to be honest. But with this, you'd have to read it, unfortunately, guys. So if you can't read, you just have to manually just touch which one you want. But yeah, what you saw earlier was I was testing it with this way. The search, you can just type in like MX player and it would bring that up. When more apps do eventually arrive, then this will be more useful. At the moment, because there's not many apps, you don't really need to use it. Yeah, you could do it that way, or if you just can't be bothered, you can do it that way. Some people prefer it that way, but yeah. Now the free websites on the bottom, the ZEDz website. So I've updated this slightly. Not much really, unless you're constantly on it. You can, like I am, you won't probably notice much of a difference. That's been updated. Information page, obviously there's that. I might just add the new QR code on there. Download apps. This will bring you to my new one. I'd probably recommend you to download the app this way still. I'll show you the reasons why in a moment. What's this? I forgot about this. Oh, this can go directly to the web page. So go to, you can still download it from the website with the movies, music or games, and the content is still the same. I haven't updated that. Just check, yeah, that's fine. The ZEDz logo has been updated at the top there. The Z Pyro, this has been updated, which works out really well actually, because now obviously notice it's now not a dark background, it's a white background, slightly different layout. That picture's been updated. I think these two are the same. These pictures though, these are actually Instagram pictures. So whenever I upload a new Instagram picture through the Z Pyro Instagram site, it will load up a new one directly, hopefully onto here. I've not tested that, but yeah, it should do. When you click on the picture, it will show you like an Instagram. It will tell you the likes, the comments, and how many weeks there is been updated, and the small comment on what was said. Now, you can't click on who liked it or what comment, I'm afraid, unless you go onto the Go to Instagram page. You can scroll left to right, which is good. And this, if you're multiple ones, you can just click the left or right arrows in here, which is pretty cool as well. I finally finished this, after all these years. But yeah, I'm happy with that, and I can now leave that be, and it will automatically update with the Instagram, which is what I wanted. ZEDz Comics, I've not updated this. I've just added on here in case you guys actually like it or not. And I will update some new ones on there. I just not had time. But yeah, I've left that there in case you guys like it. Now, what I was saying about downloading the app directly from the website, or from file linked, or even the QR code. I'd rather you do that rather than click the top right corner. Now you can. What happened is it will show you how which ones to download it from. And what happened is when you transfer over, it will open up on this screen. Now this screen does look quite good, but when you click install, it will give an arrow, and then it will tell you to go on to add to home screen, and then you add it to there. So if you did that, you go on that, and then you go, instead of open ZEDz undefined in page, it would have been add to home screen. Because the app's already downloaded, it would do that. And then you click on this bit here where it says add. You can do it this way, but I think the older way you can. Well, it depends what you want to do, really. So, yep, that's my new app. I hope you enjoy. Please share. It's a lot more easier to share, especially with that button now, if you want to do it that way. There's so many ways you can download it now. And yeah, please give me feedback. Thank you very much.